Ever dreamed of bringing your ideas to life? Discover the step-by-step process to create an eye-catching flipbook that will wow your audience. Whether for storytelling, portfolios, or presentations, this guide will turn your visions into reality. No design experience needed. So, hello guys, and welcome back in another video where I will show you step-by-step how to make a flipbook in Canva. So first of all I have to do is open browser and dive into canva.com. This is the homepage as you can see. So to get started, you have just to sign up by writing your email address and your password. Then you'll find the homepage as you can see. So are you ready to unleash your creativity? In this guide, you will learn how to create an engaging flipbook using Canva's intuitive tools and templates. Let's transform your ideas into a stunning digital experience. So watch this video until the end and follow the simple steps and you will be able to create your own flipbook. So don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and let's get started from the scratch and making together our own flipbook with our ideas. So let's go to the home or the page of templates and let's search for example, books, as you can see. And then you have just to scroll down and you click over seal. Then I will just go to the filters here and I will select category I want, such as business, social media, education, video, marketing, brand products, or cards invitations. Then here we have also style, theme, language, created subject, and then I will just select the free one, and about the color I will select the white one. Then I will click over apply. Once you do that, you will find a page which is this one, and we have here various templates. I will choose, for example, this one, and I will click over customize this template. Once you do that, you will find this page of customizing. So first of all, I will add a page because it's a book. We have here first page, and I will show you how you can do that. So first of all, I will select the background. For example, I will select the white one. And here we have it, as you can see. Right now, I will just go to the uploads. And I will go here and I will upload, for example, this one, as you can see. Right now I will just modify it, as you can see, like that. Then I will go to the second one and I will select this one. And then I will do the same thing with this one. And there you have it, as you can see. Right now I will just go and copy this one. And I will paste it here, as you can see. The same I will do this with this one. I will just copy it and I will paste it here, as you can see. Alright. Right now I will just delete this one. And right now I will just go to the text and I will add a heading. As you can see, right now I will just write, for example, title. I will write why. Then I will add a subheading also. Put it here. Modify the size, for example. I will select 42, like that. About this one, I will modify the size to 64. Here we have it, and this is how it looks. So I'll just write Alex. This is the writer, as you can see. And I will go right now to the elements. I will add, for example, some pictures here. For example, I will add this one firstly. I'll modify it and I'll put it here, as you can see. Then I will add also this one. Put it here. Modify the size. We'll put it here. It looks better. Then I will add also here this one. and I'll put it here as you can see, and I will add also this one, and I'll put it here as you can see. So here we have it. Right now I will just add, for example, this one, put it here, and then we'll add this one. Then we'll put it here also. You can also add a comment, or you can duplicate. Also I will add this one. And I'll put it here as you can see. Then I will go to the text and I will add a hidden. And I will go here and I will add a hidden. As you can see, I'll write, for example, don't be afraid. It's just a book. For example, I'll select also here this one and I will put it here in the middle as you can see. Then we have also here this one. I will add, firstly add a hidden, and I will write, for example, let's get started. Firstly I will select the color, the size, so I'll write the size like that. Alright, for example, let's get started. And here we have it, as you can see. Right now I will just paste my text here, or we will just write whatever I want. And here we have it, how it looks right now. So this is it, as you can see. So as you can see, this is how it looks. Alright, right now I will just go to the button shape here, and I will click over simple booklet, or you click over here and you scroll down and you will find this design, simple booklet flip, as you can see. So you click over simple black booklet and you click over save. Once you do that, you'll wait for preparing your design as well. So let's wait. Then you click over view in simple booklet and you'll find this page, as you can see. You have just to click over replace here, and let's wait for preparing your Canva design. So as you can see, this is how it looks. Alright, you can see. Then you add yours, as you can see. And this is how it works with creating a flipbook in Canva. And there you have it. You are successfully created a stunning flipbook in Canva that brings your ideas to life. Don't forget to share ideas, to share your masterpiece and let your creativity shine. If you enjoyed this tutorial, be sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more design tips and tricks. So happy flipping. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I'll be happy to help you guys, and see you again in the next video. Have a fantastic day ahead.